All right. So I don't know how many of you have been on the stream here today. You saw me get pretty frustrated about this trade right out of the gates. We had a watch list that we had preset, starting with C path, ramping up today in the morning. I didn't like it too much because for me it was a little bit overextended. I figured that it was probably not going to follow through, and CAN that I was not able to trade, and I really liked it as a follow-through move to the downside. After this ramp up here, if you look at the 15-minute candle, we had this nice formation, nice pennant here. I was expecting a break. It broke here right yesterday, and this is where we had the first print today. This blue line. We were having some consolidation on the 15-minute time frame on top of the 50 simple moving average, and it broke here, and it started to ramp up in the 15 minutes. If you can see a topping candle right here, inverted hammer, showing that we were actually going to have some sort of downtrend, because this type of candles indicate that this is what the price action is going to do. Then he got under the 50 on the view app with a crossover right there. It gave me a pretty decent indication that we probably gonna do that. The issue is that I got involved in this CANF. You guys that were in the stream know this today. I got in on the first drop because I like this one for a follow-through move. Hey, it was like, yeah, it's a follow-through move. We have a pretty decent range here today. If we get on top of this, we can see 949, but we can see also 7 what's the daily levels right here, 782, and after that we got 644. So I was like, oh yeah, it's a good formation that we have right here. 644, 782. So I said, okay, decent. First drop went down to $7.60. Now, first drop on the first 1 minute candle, I got in the first bounce, one micro bounce, 1 minute time frame, average 804. Came right back down exactly to 760. I didn't sell. Here's the why. Here's why. Let me show you here. Look at the 15 minutes right here. I was basing this trade on a longer time frame, on the daily, key level daily. Oh, we're gonna have a test of the $6.44. We had a massive flush right out of the gates. Why wouldn't us go down there and take this trade down there when we even broke under the 50? Although, yes, it rejected because it bounced right back up. I said, well, if we can follow through, and here's the thing. At that time of the day, we were printing down here. It didn't have that rejection, but I was expecting that rejection. You guys on the stream knew this because it bounced right off the 50 simple moving average right here, and the 50 simple moving average right here on the 15, and the 100 simple moving average right here on the 5. I figured, okay, we're gonna come down and we're gonna retest that area. We're just gonna follow through, especially when you see this spinning top formation of the 1 minute. Figure, hey, we're gonna come right back down. This is a great thing. It didn't. Pennant on the 1, top of the view of the 1, the 50, pennant, consolidation around the 100. Came right back up with a couple of topping candles. Here's the thing. I got really spooked out. I got really frustrated, and I was just about to sell. But then I started talking, and you guys were here. You heard me say, if I sell here, they're gonna pick up my shares on a discount. And once they do that, they're gonna roll the trade, the price action, over to the opposite side. We're gonna come right back down. They're gonna pick up my shares. They're gonna run with them. They're gonna take my money away. And then I'm gonna be saying, oh my God, why did I sell? So I held. And we spiked up all the way to 849. Well, 848 right here. I thought it was 849. Maybe I'm mistaken, whatever. $0.50 resistance, 2 cents away from there. Rejected that area, came right back here, 801. Nice range, right? $0.50 resistance to whole dollar support. Came right back down. We had that resistance. You guys know this in the stream. Shooting star, inverted hanging man here. Already seen that one. I said, well, okay, let's see. This is probably gonna work out. Second candle, shooting star. Third candle, now we started to print the red candle. Found a little bit of support on the 100. Then another shooting star, a little smaller, which is a pretty good indication because this shooting star being a little smaller, that means that the momentum is actually shifting from the bullish side to the bearish one. Huge drop, came to 801. So I was kind of break even. Doji ramped up again, and we had this massive congestion right here. And then I noticed that we had this trend line here, this support, this resistance, and I just held on. We tested this area, 801. We got 1, 2, 3. Came right back down here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 801 was massive. With all this congestion right here, this trend line for that resistance, we started to come right back down. But we tested this thing so many times. Another shooting star formation right here. I said, well, I'm waiting and waiting and waiting. Finally, at 10:34 in the morning, about an hour and 3 minutes, an hour and 3 minutes after I opened my opening position, or my position, after I sent out my position, average 804. This thing breaks down finally. I took half out with a market order on this candle. 788. Get out. Boom. Half of it. Then it started to print this descending wedge sideways. I was about to get out right here when he had a breakout. I was expecting a breakdown. Had a breakdown. A breakout to make exactly a bear trap formation right here. Breakout, reversal. Just that pattern. Bear trap formation, breakout, reversal right away. Hanging man here in the 1, come down, consolidation. I get out on this other candle right here. This other candle right here. He held the low of this candle for a couple of minutes. This one had a gravestone doji. We had a low on this one of 785. Sent out a market order, and I got filled at $7.91 average on that one. So I finally got out, and that's a little bit of a bounce here. Came right back down, gravestone doji again, started to trend here. And if you look at all of this consolidation with this flag now, finally seems like maybe in the next couple of minutes we are gonna be able to break under the 782, retest $7.60. The reason why I got out here is because I was started to look right here at the 100, 778, and I didn't want to wait because I was looking for 760, but we had again the 100 at 778. So I figured I'm not going to take a chance on this thing. I just want to get out because I was really, really frustrated. One thing that I have learned, that when you're frustrated, you just need to get out of the computer. Step up away, walk away, do whatever you have to do. Just walk away. This is a mental game. And I was about to step out of this one with a lost position. Look at the breakdown there. Finally break under this area. Let's see how far we're going to go. You can come back then and watch the video later on today. See exactly how far we're going to take this thing. Again, just as a sign of appreciation, if you want to, let's make a comment later on. One thing that I told you guys on the stream today, I'm going to be trading every day on a live stream on YouTube. If you're looking for a free chat room to trade, free, I'm not going to charge you ever for a chat room, nothing. Because I trade every day. Regardless if you're here with me or not, I'm going to be trading. I'm going to be sharing the ideas. And so you're going to pick my brains. You're going to be here hanging out with me if you want to. As a sign of appreciation for me, if you can. Make a comment on any video. Give it a thumbs up. maybe subscribe to the channel if you're new here. And if you want to get advantage of a free weekly newsletter with a swing trade and day trade watch list that you're going to be receiving every weekend on the mailbox, on your inbox, on your email, just go to traderscolony.com and create a free account. You're going to be able to take advantage of that, as we had picked DAO stock over the ramp up that happened. We're looking for a rollover trade on the opposite side of that ramp up. I figured that that trend was not going to hold, so this is the reason why we picked this one up. For now, I'm going to let you guys go. I appreciate you guys being here. Happy trading. Enjoy the rest of your day.